In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your WordPress website in SiteGround, but listen carefully as I explain the steps because I don't have direct access to an account due to restrictions. So don't worry, I'll explain each step, so listen carefully as I explain. So first, make sure you are on the official website of SiteGround, and then on the upper right corner, you will see here the login button. Click on that, and then enter your username and password, and then after that click email. So once you log in, click on the websites tab, and then find the website you want to edit and click site tools. And then after that, inside the site tools, go to the WordPress section and then click on the install and manage to see your WordPress sites. Find the website you want to edit and then click go to the admin panel, and then this will take you to the WordPress dashboard. After that, now that you're inside WordPress, here's what you can do. First, edit pages and posts. And then in the left sidebar, click pages to edit existing pages or create a new one. And then after also that, click posts to manage blog content, and then use the blog editor or Gutenberg or the classic editor to make changes. And then after that, customize website design, and then go to the appearance, customize, and then modify the site layout, and then colors and fonts. So if you're using a page builder like Elementor or WP Bakery, open it to edit sections visually, and then install and manage plugins. But in order to have an access to the install and manage plugins, you'll need to purchase a plan here in WordPress. So after that, assumingly, click plugins and then click the add new to install useful tools, and then search for SEO, security, or design plugins to enhance your site, and then change the themes, and then under appearance and then themes, you can switch to a new theme or customize your current one. Be careful, changing themes may alter your site's design. And after that, always click save or publish after making edits, and then click preview to check how the changes look before going live. And that's it. That's how you edit WordPress in SiteGround. Whether you're updating content, customizing your design, or managing plugins, this step will help you improve your website easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.